Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the areas function inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly does the area function do? So it's pretty simple. It will give us back the number of zones in a certain reference. So what I mean by zone, it's pretty simple. As you can see here, I have a few set of cells that I put it in different colors. So as you can see, there is 5 of them. So each one of those sets of colors is a different zone. So the way I'm going to write down my area function, you'll see. So pretty simple, I'll write down my equal sign. I'll write down area. And once I have it, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open up 2 parentheses. Then I'm going to select my first zone. So this is the zone number 1. Then I will have my zone number 2. Then I will have my zone number 3, my zone number 4, and my zone number 5. And what's gonna happen after that is that Microsoft Excel will calculate the amount of zones that I have. So in this case, I have 5 zones. If, for example, I decide to calculate another zone that is part of, for example, this zone right here, so I'll just add a comma and add another zone here. Microsoft Excel will calculate it as a distinct zone. So as you can see, it will become automatically 6 zones. So in this case, I have 5 zones plus a 6th one that I can add right here. If I want to add another zone, for example, I can just add a comma and, for example, select the zone right here where there is no colors. In this case, it's gonna be 7 different zones. So I have my 5 colors plus the zone that I added here plus the zone that I have right here that I have selected. So as you can see, what a zone is inside of Microsoft Excel, it's just a set of cells that I have selected, or it can be even a single cell. So if, for example, I select a single cell, it will be considered as a zone. So in this case, it's gonna be 8. So what this function do is it gives you the amount of zones that you have selected instead of you having to calculate them one by one. So this is how this function works. So as always, if you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.